Hi, my name is Josh Hammett and welcome to this SEO analysis video of Fei-Pow Massage Therapy. So here you can see the Fei-Pow Massage Therapy website, fpmassage.com. Now, the first thing to consider when doing any SEO work on our website is to first understand if there's demand for the services that you provide and work out which keyword phrases Google users are using to try and find your particular services. So we can see here there's a couple of services: baby massage, pregnancy massage, sport massage. So if we go to the Google keyword planner, which I have here already, I've plugged in some keywords, for example massage, Orpington, massage therapy, etc, etc. So I've put in the different services provided and also put in two different locations, Orpington and Kent, which is where the business is located. And if we look down here, we can see how many searches are made each month for these particular phrases. I'm actually only looking for search volume from the areas of Kent, and there's also we've got London here, so you can't actually sort by Orpington. So London and Kent, we're looking at the search volume. So every month there's almost 3,000 searches per month for sports massage. So as you can see, there's quite a good amount of demand for the services, and as it stands, the website doesn't rank on page 1 of Google for any of these terms in Orpington or Kent, or without a location being specified. So obviously, as it stands, this website isn't taking advantage of the online demand for their services. Potential customers can't find the website and can't contact Fei to book treatment. So obviously we want to rectify that. Now there's lots of different things you can do, but in this video we're basically going to highlight some basic SEO principles that you can implement on your own website and start getting it moving in the right direction and hopefully onto page 1 of Google. So as it stands, for none of these keywords does the website rank on page 1. So the first thing I noticed was that this business doesn't have a Google My Business profile. So if you were to have a profile and you typed in your brand name, you would see a box here which would come up with your business details. So let's improve my search ranking. You can see here we've got a box which has the location, reviews, and images. Having a Google My Business profile is fundamental to local SEO. So the way you can get one of these set up is simply you go to google.com/business. You can then click Start Now in the top right corner here and set up your business profile. Basically, you need to enter your business name, address, and phone number, description, images, etc. Once you set that up, Google will send you a postcard in the post, which contains a verification code, which you then use to verify your account, and that allows you to appear in local searches. So if I type in massage Orpington, without having a Google My Business profile, you can't appear here in the map results. So that's very important. And also, as I mentioned, you without that you can't have a box to the right of the Google search results when you type in your brand name. So that's the first thing that should be done for this website. Next, basically there's not many, if any, on-page SEO best practices have been implemented on this site. So things like the title tags, the heading tags, the meta descriptions, the image alt text, all haven't been looked at. I assume this website is built in Wix or some form of content management system. So usually these things are quite easy to fix. So I'll just run through them one by one. So the title tag is what appears in the browser bar at the top here, and is defined in the code. So if we right click, view source, title, we see PayPal, massage therapy for all. That is the title tag. So the title tag is actually the most important on-page SEO factor, and in here should be your main keyword for that particular page. So the home page should probably be trying to rank for the broadest terms, so it should probably be trying to rank for massage therapy in Orpington and Kent. So the way you do that is you'd probably have your brand name, PayPal massage therapy, and then you'd have, instead of this massage therapy for all, you'd have massage therapy in Orpington and Kent. So that is the first simple fix. The description, I don't think there is one. No, there's no meta description set up for this site. So if I just type in PayPal massage therapy into Google, you can see here that as it's ending in a ... here, it shows that the meta description hasn't been set up correctly. This is actually the title tag, which we spoke about again. So the title tag should not only include the keywords you want to rank for, but it should also be written in a compelling and enticing way that's going to make people want to click on your result over the competition. So in conjunction with that, your meta description also needs to be written in a fashion that's going to help increase the click-through rates from Google's results to your site. So in essence, the title tag and the meta description are almost a mini advert for your site. So these need to be looked at for every single page on the site. So every page on the website should be optimized for a different keyword term. So on this website we have a baby massage page, pregnancy massage, sport and remedial massage page. So each of these pages plus the home page should be optimized for the different types of services offered. So the home page would be for massage therapy generally, and then the internal pages would be optimized for the different services they're offering. So the title tag for the baby massage page should probably say baby massage in Orpington and Kent, and then have the brand name. Similarly with pregnancy massage, there's no mention of Orpington and Kent in the title tag, and once again here. So that's a very simple fix that can be done. Also, the meta descriptions on each of those pages need to be written. They need to be less than 156 characters long. They need to include the keywords at least once, and they need to be written in a compelling fashion to entice click-throughs. So, as well as the title tag and the meta description, another thing to look at is the heading tags. So the heading tags are usually the main heading on the page. So let's just have a look at the code here. So this is an H1 tag, which is good. However, once again, it doesn't include Orpington or Kent in the heading tag. So I'll literally just add in those keywords to the end of that heading to help Google understand the relevance of the location. So basically, when Google looks at a website, it basically scans the code of the site and it looks for certain signposts in the code. So the title tag, the meta description, the heading tags, for example. When if certain keywords are in there, it then understands the relevance of that page, and it can store it in its database based on the relevance it's found in those particular areas. So for the 3 different services and on the home page, I would include a heading tag, and it would include the word Orpington and Kent in there. While we're on the home page has very, very, very small amount of content. Recent studies have suggested that pages with over 800 words of content tend to rank best. So I would add a lot of text here underneath here, obviously very relevant text about the service and what it is that you provide. I would also include things like any logos or accreditations you have, any testimonials, anything like that to help build credibility. If you're a member of something like Trustpilot or Checker Trader, things like that, I would include their widgets on your homepage to help further build the credibility. I would also probably add a contact form to the homepage. Additionally, this image here is pretty big, it's taking up too much space, and also it's not been optimized from an SEO standpoint. As you can see in the code, the image is called landing page image.jpg, whereas it should be named something with your keywords in there, so it should be massage therapy in Orpington and Kent.jpg, for example. It also needs to be given something called the alt text. So as it stands, it says welcome to Fei Power Massage, which is okay, but it's not optimized again, so we probably add on to the end of there massage therapy in Orpington and Kent to help build its relevance once again. The footer of the site is very poor. It should include links to the core service pages. It should also include the address of the business and the local phone number. As it stands, there's a mobile number and no office location. Without that, if you include an address which is the same as your Google My Business, and also a local phone number, Google can understand the locality of your business. Other than that, also there's no sitemap, no privacy policy, no terms and conditions in the footer. They should be looked at. But yeah, those are some basic thoughts that can be implemented quite easily. So adjusting the title tag and heading tags, the meta descriptions, and the content throughout the site to reflect target keywords. Adding a local phone number, setting up the Google My Business account, having a local address. Those are all basic on-page SEO best practices that should be implemented, and once done, the ranking positions for this site should increase in Google quite quickly.